Good morning. I decided I would go through and do a few more of the multiplication 2 by 2 that you were introduced yesterday to show you, I think, the best way to make sure you don't make any careless mistakes. And that's really what happens is we just make a careless mistake in where we place something or we forget to put a zero in. So I'm going to go through and work out a few of these problems exactly the way I think you should do them. And if you follow these steps, you should be fine. So I'm looking at the first problem, 38 times 19. So my first multiplier is that 9. I like to circle the one I'm working with. So I'm going to start with 9 times 8. I'm going to go across the ones, then the tens, and if there were more digits, I would just continue that same pattern. So 9 times 8, if you're using your multiplication chart, if you're not comfortable with your multiplication facts, you'll find that that is 72. So you put the 2 down here and you must carry the 7. Now I'm going to do 9 times 3. 9 times 3, if I look at my chart, is 27, plus 7 more is 34. So I'm going to put my 34. I can put the whole 34 because I don't have any more to multiply with that one. Now, I am done with my 9 and I'm done with my 7. I like to put lines through them so I don't confuse them with anything that I'm going to do with the rest of the problem. Now, my new multiplier is the 1. I'm circling that. Now, I'm going to start the second row with a 0 every time because you're really multiplying by 10 because that's in the tens place. So I'm going to put my 0 there. It always starts your second row. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply, starting with my 1s. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. I didn't have to carry anything. And now it becomes a simple addition problem. 2, that is 12, carry the 1, that is 6 plus 1 more is 7. So let's do another one. Starting with circle your multiplier, even if it's 0. So 0 times anything is 0, 0, 0. You're done with this one. Your new multiplier is the 9. Your second row always starts with a 0 because you're really multiplying by 90. 9 times 0 again is 0. 9 times 9 is 81. Sorry about that. I'm going to add them up. 0, 0, 1, 8. Let's go to the next one. I start with my multiplier. I'm going to circle it. 6 times 1 is 6. I don't have to carry anything. 6 times 7 is 42. Notice how I'm careful to line up my numbers so that when I get to adding, I'm not going to make a mistake. I'm done with him. My new multiplier is a 4, and I start with my 0 because I'm really multiplying by 40. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. It becomes an addition problem. 6, 6, 12, carry that one, and it becomes a 3. Let's do one more. I start with my multiplier as a 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. Done with him. Always start with a 0 because I'm really multiplying by 90. 9 times 6 is 54. I put my 4 and I carry my 5. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 5 more is 41. It becomes an addition problem. All of my numbers are lined up perfectly so I don't make a mistake in my addition.